The morning view of the valley, so beautiful. All Eastern Ghats and the Bagheera. So beautiful, guys. Seriously, it's lush green. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to the channel. This is your host Venkatesh Supul. New day, new destination. So we have started from Daringbadi around 5:30, 6 o'clock. We started. We had a challenge. So Bob's bike's battery got dead. So we stopped here around after 30-35 kilometers for a tea break. Tea was good here, and we have those who are just talking to us and talking about our ride and everything. 3 bikes and locals are enjoying here. So there's everyone. Say hi. So let's go. So we just start from here, and the destination for us today is Deomali, one of the highest peak of Odisha and the Eastern Ghats mostly. So we're going there. We are skipping the Jaipur because it's on a different route. We'll come again for the next day on that, next time for Jaipur. And there are many places to be explored in Odisha. So Odisha is typically the best kept secret of India. So let's go, let's roll. Nadi mera baako. Okay. హెచ్ఆర్ పిలిచేసిందా బా బా వాళ్ళని సింగ్ వన్ ఫస్ట్ వార్నింగ్ ఇస్తారు రిటర్నా ఓకే తెలుస్తే చెప్పకుండా అయిపోతుంది కదా. ఇక్కడ పోలు పడ్డారు మా ఇంటిది కదా, టైం పడుతుందని చెప్తే అయిపోవు. అంతే. నాకు ఇష్టం, నేను చేయొచ్చు రైడ్స్కి పోయినప్పుడు, నేను ఎప్పుడైనా చేయవచ్చు. కాకపోతే నాకు అది సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ ఉంటుంది కదా, తిరగడం చేయాలా, కాల్స్ చూసుకోవాలా, ఆ టెన్షన్ ఉంటుంది. చల్ అవసరమే లేదు. ఓకే. And welcome back to the helmet view. So cruising in the Eastern Ghats and enjoying the roads, the beautiful roads of the Eastern Ghats. Trust me, I cannot say anything more than this. The roads are really beautiful. All are smooth roads. In this remotest area, it is completely very less explored, and lots and lots to have fun here. If you are a person who loves riding in the Ghats, if you are a person who wants a peaceful area, peaceful places, this is a best place. And it's all green. Everywhere it's greenery and full of mountains. And so we are in the middle of the valley. So what is happening right now is we are getting riding on top of a mountain, getting down the valley, then a mountain, then a valley. So today's ride mostly will be the same for the entire set. We have around the arrival for us to our next destination is Deomali is 8.5 hours. So let's see by what time we'll reach. For now, that's the ride update and enjoying every part of it. Have a look of the road. What a beautiful road it is. Lovely. Lovely route. Lovely. Beautiful road. Sunrise. Bagudi Valley. So beautiful with the Eastern Ghats. lovely roads. So we are around 33 kilometers away from our first stop, which is Rayagada, where we'll have a breakfast and it will take around an hour more for 30 kilometers. Just because it is all in forest and ghat section. So look at the roads. Roads are really beautiful, guys, and I am literally enjoying the road. So you can see Ghat Road start. We can enjoy the Ghat for a while if you are interested. I'll try to reduce this. I'll try to increase the speed of the play time, and we'll see. Roads are beautiful. I mean, like I haven't seen a patchwork or a bump or a bump in the road. Not about the speed breakers, the damaged road, at least in the ghats. Ghats or the curves are very beautifully maintained and very well managed. Benefit to it, there is not even a single toll gate we have seen till now for the day, and it is National Highway 326. You can see Nalakagiri 26 kilometers, and it's all good. There is not much of traffic, there is no commercial vehicles moving around. We're enjoying this ride so far. Day 4 in the ride of Odisha, exploring Odisha, loving every bit, and I am sure to come back again either on a bike or on a family trip, because there is a lot to explore which is kept as a secret here. So we will come back again. Come back to the view. So right update, we have entered the Rayagada, which is the district headquarters, and 4 more seconds, 3 more seconds, we are going. So chalo. And the destination Semiriguda is around, oh my god, look at these guys. Semiriguda is 105 kilometers, which is around 3 hours from now, as per Google Maps, which means we will be riding more and even more dense in the mountains, forest, ghats. Let's go. One thing which I just observed, and I haven't seen in Hyderabad at least, or any other city, but just saw it here. At the signals they have tied a cloth, green cloth, which is used for in the nurseries to give a shade for the commuters. So looking for a breakfast point so that you can have a breakfast and then go ahead to the destination of the day, which is Semiriguda. And as per Google, it is 2 o'clock is the other ETA, but I'm sure it will take an hour or more extra, because we get to stop for the breakfast. So that is the one which I was talking about. They have tied this cloth for people to avoid the sun. Are flyover ekkal ra? Permission తీసుకోవాలి పెద్దోళ్ళతో. Come back to the view. So right update, we have entered the Rayagada, which is the district headquarters, and 4 more seconds, 3 more seconds, we are going. So chalo. And the destination Semiriguda is around, oh my god, look at these guys. Semiriguda is 105 kilometers, which is around 3 hours from now, as per Google Maps, which means we will be riding more and even more dense in the mountains, forest, ghats. Let's go. One thing which I just observed, and I haven't seen in Hyderabad at least, or any other city, but just saw it here. At the signals they have tied a cloth, green cloth, which is used for in the nurseries to give a shade for the commuters. So looking for a breakfast point so that you can have a breakfast and then go ahead to the destination of the day, which is Semiliguda. And as per Google, it is 2 o'clock is the other ETA, but I'm sure it will take an hour or more extra because we get to stop for the breakfast. So that's the one which I was talking about. They have tied this cloth for people to avoid the sun. अरे फ्लाईओवर ఎక్కాలి రా మా పర్మిషన్ తీసుకోవాలి కదా పెద్దోళ్ళతో. Alright, done with the breakfast at Rayagada, and starting now from Rayagada we have around 100 more kilometers in the ghat, which will take 2 hours 40 minutes for us to reach. The time is 11:40 right now. So, let's go. Let's roll. Vishnu, start it now. Chala. Let's go. వెళ్ళిపో ముంగడికి. ఎట్లయినా పర్లేదు, ఆయన చేస్తాడే చేసుకొని కదా మనం ఎంజాయ్ చేద్దాం మనం. I think so. After the Rayagada city, we have the ghat sections completely again in the forest, where we'll be enjoying the ride through. So I would say the roads are good, and we enjoyed the breakfast today. It was dosa finally with sambar. So yeah, it was good after a long time, after 6 days, but I guess we still missing the Andhra food or our Telugu family food. Let's see if we get it in next couple of days. And all this being the border areas, people would know Telugu, and there is a possibility of getting the Andhra food or our proper meals, dal rice meals. So let's hope and see. And city just ended, and the forest has already started. The mountains has already started. Eastern Ghats, lovely. There is nothing I would say about it. You have to come and explore and ride through it. It is very soothing. And it's 3:26 for 100 kilometers, and we will reach our destination, which is Semiliguda. And we will be exploring Semiliguda, Diomali. Diomali is a small village, but is the highest point in Odisha. So let's go and roll. Look at the view of Eastern Ghats. So lush, green, just like our Western Ghats, but the difference is Western Ghats are spread. They're all nearby. And we can ride in between the Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats, it's only very little places, but here we are riding in the Eastern Ghats. Mountains, so lovely and beautiful. So lush. I think it is more greener or it has more trees and plants compared to Western Ghats, but really loving this. And moreover, the road is also not 4-lane road. It's a 2-lane double road, but lovely road. The road is very good. Just be careful about the small speed breakers, which are at least minimum to minimum 3 or 4 at a stretch at once. It might be more also. So be careful with that. And if anytime you come in, but apart from that, people are good. Food is good. Food is tasty. Don't expect idli, dosa, poo, all those. But try the local cuisine. So the local cuisine is nothing but vada, aloo bonda. That's the local cuisine. And we are starting our elevation toward in the mountains. So we might have to, I think we have to cross all these mountains on our left, in our front, and move on. So yeah, looks like we'll be going from the mountain beds only, but it's all good. So 75 kilometers, 2 more hours. It's sure gonna take time because of the forest roads. Look at the view, valley view, guys. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, lovely. Loving the ride. So we are just around 30 kilometers away from our destination for the day, which is Semiriguda, the nearest town to Diomali. And we'll be staying there for 2 days, 2 nights. Let's go and let me show you how it looks. I know I haven't given the room tour, but yeah, for today I'll give you the room tour from today onwards, and also give you the details of the hotels as well. So hotel details I will share it in the descriptions, so you can check it that. But views are sexy. I mean, like views are beautiful, very beautiful, I would say, and completely less explored. So love it, and I would love to visit again and again. Roads are very good. And welcome to Sunameda municipality. We are 3 kilometers away from HL, Semiriguda 6 kilometers, Sunki 50, Visakhapatnam 189. So yeah, we are almost there. We're just around half a kilometer from our stay for the day. So let's go check in. Welcome back to the channel. So in a ride, no issues, not possible. So here we are in Semiriguda's Mahavir Auto workshop because one of our rider, Bob's magnetic coil is not working, due to which battery is not getting recharged while running. And this is the bike, and the point is we are waiting for the coil to come. Like there is no stock here right now, so we are trying, or the showroom is trying to get the magnetic coil from the nearest showroom or the nearest place, and the nearest place is Jaipur or Visakhapatnam or Vijayanagar. So they are trying to get it, and so we're trying the showroom. You can see the bikes. I actually like this Pulsar 125. If you see the coloring, so beautiful. Looks like a carbon one, but it's a stickering. Lovely. Looks good. At the back, that's the tail. Underbelly exhaust, and 125 badging on this. See this Pulsar branding. Oh, so it has two things. One on the sticker. One is the sticker of Pulsar, and then the 3D emblem of the Pulsar. I actually liked the front view of the bike. It has this violet winglets, sort of winglets on the side, if you can see. Looks beautiful. And then a coloring here at the wheel arch side. Looks good. If anyone is interested, nearest showroom, and look at the color. Color is really good. Looks good. Lightweight, 125cc, comes with a kick rod. And the self. Interestingly, it also has the USB port to charge your phones. So every now in the showroom has the charging port. So that looks good. So let's see how it works. But for now, we are in Semiriguda, which is near the Diomali, on this bike for next at least for some time. Let's wait, and do follow me until the end to understand, to know what happened next. And stay tuned.